Which Indian organization became the first to win the Raman Magsaysay Award? Correct answer is option B, Educate Girls. What is India's rank in the Global Peace Index 2025? Correct answer is option A, 115th. Who has been appointed as the new president of BCCI? Correct answer is option B, Mithun Manhas. Which team won the Dilip Trophy final in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Central Zone. Who became the first Indian to go to International Space Station? Correct answer is option C, Shubhanshu Shukla. Which two countries participated in the Joint Special Forces exercise Khanjar in March 2025? Correct answer is option D, India and Kyrgyzstan. Where was the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Tianjin, China. Who won the title of Miss Universe India 2025? Correct answer is option B, Manika Vishwakarma. Who became the first Indian to win a medal in Wushu at the World Games? Correct answer is option B, Namrata Batra. Which state topped the medal tally at the first Khelo India Water Sports Festival 2025? Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Who is the author of the memoir Mother Mary Comes to Me? Correct answer is option B, Arundhati Roy. Where was the 21st edition of India-US Joint Military Exercise Yuddha Abhyas 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Fort Wainwright, Alaska. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Central Industrial Security Force in September 2025? Correct answer is option B, Praveer Ranjan. Which has been designated as the 107th National Park of India? Correct answer is option B, Simlipal Tiger Reserve. Which two countries joined the New Development Bank in July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Colombia and Uzbekistan. Who received the 55th Dadasaheb Phalke Award for 2023? Correct answer is option A, Mohanlal. Where was the Men's Hockey Asia Cup 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Rajgir, Bihar. The 8th edition of the Joint Military Exercise Shakti conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is option C, France. Which country hosted the 17th edition of Men's Cricket Asia Cup in 2025? Correct answer is option D, United Arab Emirates. Which state government launched the Mukhyamantri Mahila Rozgar Yojana in September 2025? Correct answer is option C, Bihar. What is the theme for the International Day of Yoga 2025 observed on 21st June? Correct answer is option B, Yoga for One Earth, One Health. What is India's rank in the Global Innovation Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, 38th. What is the name of India's first fully made in India semiconductor chip unveiled in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Vikram 32. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate India's first bamboo-based biorefinery? Correct answer is option A, Golaghat, Assam. Under India's nuclear energy mission, how much nuclear power does India aim to generate by 2047? Correct answer is option C, 100 gigawatt. Who took charge as the 13th Director of Botanical Survey of India in September 2025? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Kanath Das. Which team won the Durand Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, Northeast United Football Club. Who has been reappointed as the Chief of Defence Staff till May 2026? Correct answer is option A, General Anil Chauhan. Which two states jointly conducted the first ever Nilgiri Tahar census in India? Correct answer is option B, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Who has been appointed as a full-time member of Niti Aayog? Correct answer is option A, Rajiv Gaba. Which team won the Ranji Trophy 2024-25? Correct answer is option D, Vidarbh. Where was Asia's largest inter-college technology and entrepreneurship festival, Tech Kriti 2025, organized? Correct answer is option C, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Who was awarded the Padma Vibhushan posthumously in 2025 for his contribution to folk music? Correct answer is option B, Sharda Sinha. What is the name of world's first AI-powered cabinet minister appointed by Albania in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Diela. Indian Air Force officially bid farewell to which legendary fighter aircraft in September 2025? Correct answer is option C, MiG-21. Where was the Khelo India Para Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Which state became the first in India to achieve full functional literacy? Correct answer is option D, Mizoram. Where did the Indian Army successfully test the Akash Prime missile system in July 2025? Correct answer is option C, Ladakh. Who has been appointed as the Secretary to Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan? Correct answer is option A, Amit Khare. Which operation was launched by India in June 2025 to evacuate Indian nationals from conflict zones in Iran and Israel? Correct answer is option C, Operation Sindhu. Where was Semicon India 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, New Delhi. Who became the first Indian to win the International Water Prize in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Dr. Himanshu Kulkarni. Who won the 2025 US Open men's singles title? Correct answer is option A, Carlos Alcaraz. Who won India's first ever gold medal at the Speed Skating World Championship? Correct answer is option B, Anand Kumar Velkumar. Who is the new lead sponsor of Indian men's and women's cricket teams, replacing Dream 11? Correct answer is option C, Apollo Tyres. Which Indian Navy ship recently completed a hydrographic survey in Mauritius? Correct answer is option C, INS Sarvekchak. Who won the World Test Championship final in 2025? Correct answer is option B, South Africa. Where was the Indian Army's Prachand Shakti tech demonstration held? Correct answer is option B, Khadga Corps Field Training Area, Meerut. Who launched the Bhagirath mobile app for water conservation in Uttarakhand? Correct answer is option A, Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami. Who is the author of the book Different but No Less? Correct answer is option D, Anupam Kher. Which institution secured the top position in the NIRF rankings 2025? Correct answer is option C, IIT Madras. The United Kingdom signed an agreement transferring sovereignty of which island to Mauritius in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Chagos Island. Who won the gold medal in the under 15 girls singles at the 29th Asian Youth Table Tennis Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, Divyanshi Bhaumik. Who has been appointed as the new Controller General of Accounts of India? Correct answer is option B, TCA Kalyani. What major diplomatic agreement did India suspend following the Pahalgam terror attack? Correct answer is option A, Indus Water Treaty. Where was the SCO Defense Ministers meeting held on 26 June 2025? Correct answer is option C, Qingdao, China. Which state government has built the world's first ceramic waste park named Anokhi Duniya? Correct answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Gokul Reservoir and Udaipur Lake, recently designated as a Ramsar site, is located in which state? Correct answer is option D, Bihar. Who became the first Indian to complete NASA's Air and Space program? Correct answer is option C, Janvi Dangeti. Who has been appointed as the Executive Director of the International Monetary Fund? Correct answer is option B, Urjit Patel. Where did Indian Railways test its first hydrogen-powered train coach in July 2025? Correct answer is option D, Integral Coach Factory, Chennai. Who represented India at the 80th United Nations General Assembly in 2025? Correct answer is option B, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. What is the name of Asia's largest freight train successfully trial run by Indian Railways in August 2025? Correct answer is option A, Rudrastra. Who became Nepal's first woman Prime Minister in September 2025? Correct answer is option A, Sushila Karki. Who assumed the office of Financial Advisor, Defense Services on 1st August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Mayank Sharma. Which state hosted the National Saras Mela 2025? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. Which train became India's fastest train in September 2025? Correct answer is option B, Namo Bharat. Who inaugurated the world's tallest railway arch bridge in Jammu and Kashmir on 6th June 2025? Correct answer is option A, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Which Indian Biosphere Reserve was recently added as the 13th UNESCO Biosphere Reserve Network? Correct answer is option C, Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve, Himachal Pradesh. Who has been awarded the International Booker Prize 2025 for her short story collection Heart Lamp? Correct answer is option A, Banu Mushtaq. What is India's rank in the Gender Gap Index 2025 among 148 countries? Correct answer is option A, 131. Which country hosted the 51st G7 summit in June 2025? Correct answer is option C, Canada. What is the name of world's first digital tribal university launched by Ministry of Tribal Affairs? Correct answer is option A, Adi Sanskriti. Who became the first India-born cheetah to reach adulthood at Kono National Park? Correct answer is option C, Mukhi. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of RAW in June 2025? Correct answer is option A, Parag Jain. Who was crowned Miss World 2025? Correct answer is option A, Suchata Chwangsri. Which Indian cricketer was inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame in June 2025? Correct answer is option C, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Who won the FIDE Women's Grand Swiss Chess Tournament 2025? Correct answer is option D, Vaishali Ramesh Babu. Who became the first woman officer to serve as an aide-de-camp to the President of India? Correct answer is option B, Lieutenant Commander Yashasvi Solanki. Where has India established its first zoo-based biobank for wildlife conservation? Correct answer is option C, Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park. What is India's rank in Climate Change Performance Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 10th. In which state was India's first aquatech park inaugurated? Correct answer is option C, Assam. Which portal has been launched by UPSC to help eligible but deprived candidates? Correct answer is option C, Pratibha Setu portal. Who received the Best Actor award at the 71st National Film Award ceremony in September 2025? Correct answer is option C, Shah Rukh Khan and Vikrant Massey. Who has been appointed as the 11th chairperson of SEBI? Correct answer is option A, Tuhin Kant Pandey. Who won the women's singles title at the Malaysia International Challenge 2025? Correct answer is option C, Devika Sihag. Which ministry has launched the beta version of Adivani, India's first AI-powered translator for tribal languages? Correct answer is option B, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Where was the NATO Summit 2025 held in June? Correct answer is option B, The Hague, Netherlands. Which institute ranked highest among Indian universities in the QS World University Rankings 2026? Correct answer is option B, IIT Delhi. In which military exercise did India participate in September 2025 with Russia and Belarus? Correct answer is option A, ZAPAD 2025. Which state has the highest GDP in India in 2025? Correct answer is option D, Maharashtra. Who won the Best Director Award at the 71st National Film Awards? Correct answer is option A, Sudipto Sen. Which institution will set up India's first AI Plus campus in Amravati? Correct answer is option C, BITS Pilani. Who is the author of the book MS Swaminathan, The Man Who Fed India? Correct answer is option B, Priyambada Jayakumar. Which country became the 107th member of the International Solar Alliance in August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Moldova. Which Gram Panchayat won the Gold Award at the National E-Governance Awards 2025 for digital innovation? Correct answer is option D, Rohini Gram Panchayat. Which team won their second consecutive Indian Super League Winner Shield in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Mohan Bagan Super Giant. Which country hosted the UN Ocean Conference 2025 in June? Correct answer is option D, France. Who has been appointed as the new Controller General of Communications Accounts in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Vandana Gupta. Who won the first Chess eSports World Cup in August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Magnus Carlsen. Which state topped the medals tally at the 78th Senior National Aquatics Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, Karnataka. Who won the Pen Printer Prize 2025 for her contribution to literature? Correct answer is option C, Leela Abulela. Who succeeded B.D. Mishra as Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh in July 2025? Correct answer is option C, Kavinder Gupta. Who laid the foundation stone of India's first PM Mitra Textile Park in Dhar district of Madhya Pradesh? Correct answer is option C, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has been awarded the United Nations Population Award 2025 for her work in gender equality and social justice. Correct answer is option B, Varsha Deshpande, who won the Women's Hockey Asia Cup 2025. Correct answer is option C, China. Which train became the first in India to have an ATM installed on board? Correct answer is option C, Panchavati Express. Which tiger reserve became India's second largest after its expansion in August 2025? Correct answer is option C, Sundarban Tiger Reserve. What was the theme of India's Independence Day 2025? Correct answer is option D, Naya Bharat. Who was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Yuva Puraskar 2025 in Hindi for her poetry collection Fir Ugna? Correct answer is option B, Parvati Tirki. Who won the Super United Rapid and Blitz 2025 in Zagreb, Croatia? Correct answer is option C, Magnus Carlsen. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Indo-Tibetan Border Police? Correct answer is option C, Praveen Kumar. Which film won the Best Feature Film Award at the 71st National Film Awards? Correct answer is option B, 12th Fail. Who has been honored with the Sahitya Akademi Yuva Puraskar 2025 for English? Correct answer is option C, Advait Kotari. Who became the first Indian woman to win the FIDE Women's Chess World Cup? Correct answer is option D, Divya Deshmukh. Who took charge as Controller General of Defense Accounts in August 2025? Correct answer is option D, Rajkumar Arora. Which airport launched the world's first AI-powered passenger corridor for faster immigration clearance? Correct answer is option C, Dubai International Airport. Which city was declared India's first UNESCO City of Literature? Correct answer is option D, Kozhikode, Kerala. Who has been appointed as the private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A, Nidhi Tiwari. Where was the Army Commanders Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Which Bengaluru-based fintech company became India's first unicorn of 2025? Correct answer is option C, JustPay. Which Indian boxer won a gold medal in the 48 kg category at the World Boxing Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, Meenakshi Huda. From which launch site was the NASA-ISRO joint satellite NISAR launched on 30th July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. Who has been honored with the Gold Mercury Award for Peace and Sustainability in April 2025? Correct answer is option B, Dalai Lama. What is the name of Indian Army operation launched to ensure the safe conduct of the Amarnath Yatra in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Operation Shiva. What is the new name of Mumbai's Karnak Bridge after its reconstruction in 2025? Correct answer is option D, Sindoor Bridge. Where was the 46th ASEAN Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Which Asian country's Prime Minister Lawrence Wong visited India in September 2025? Correct answer is option B, Singapore. Who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of the International Cricket Council? Correct answer is option B, Sanjog Gupta. Which event did Avinash Sable win gold at the 26th Asian Athletics Championship in Gumi, South Korea on 29th May 2025? Correct answer is option B, 3000 meter steeplechase. How many medals did India win at the Commonwealth Senior Weightlifting Championship 2025? Correct answer is option B, 13. Who won the gold medal in the men's 5000 meter and 10,000 meter race at the Asian Athletics Championship 2025? Correct answer is option A, Gulveer Singh. Who was appointed Governor of Haryana on 14th July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Professor Ashim Kumar Ghosh. Which animated film won the jury prize for Best Commissioned Film at the NSC International Animation Festival 2025? Correct answer is option A, Desi Oon. Which country became the 10th full member of BRICS? Correct answer is option C, Indonesia. Which company secured the top position in the Top Brand 2025 Top 500 Global Brands list? Correct answer is option B, Microsoft. Who is the author of the book Das Paise Ka Postcard, released on 10th July 2025? Correct answer is option A, S.N. Ahmad. Who was appointed as the new Prime Minister of Lithuania in August 2025? Correct answer is option A, Inga Rugin. Who was honored with the 43rd Lokman Tilak National Award in August 2025? Correct answer is option C, Nitin Gadkari. What is the name of the AI-powered tool launched by the government to generate minutes from Gram Sabha recordings? Correct answer is option C, Sabhasar. Cambodia adopted the Hargila Army Conservation Model of which Indian state for biodiversity conservation? Correct answer is option C, Assam. Which city hosted the World Food India 2025? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Which city has been announced as the second capital of Assam? Correct answer is option A, Dibrugarh. Who won the Tata Steel Chess Masters 2025? Correct answer is option D, R. Pragnanda. Which rocket was used for ISRO's 100th launch? Correct answer is option B, GSLV F-15. Who launched the Bharat Pole portal in January 2025? Correct answer is option C, Amit Shah. Jagadguru Rambhadracharya was awarded the 58th Gyanpith Award for his contribution to which language? Correct answer is option B, Sanskrit. How many women were awarded the Padma Award in 2025? Correct answer is option A, 23. What was the mascot name of Kho-Kho World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option A, Tejas and Tara. Which Indian city hosted the Commonwealth Weightlifting Championship 2025 in August? Correct answer is option C, Ahmedabad. Which country officially announced its withdrawal from China's Belt and Road Initiative? Correct answer is option B, Panama. According to the Hurun Global Unicorn Index 2025, what position does India hold globally with 64 unicorns? Correct answer is option C, 3rd. Who won the Women's Premier League 2025? Correct answer is option B, Mumbai Indians. What is the new name of Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra? Correct answer is option C, Ahilyanagar. Who is the author of the book Why the Constitution Matters, published in August 2025? Correct answer is option A, D.Y. Chandrachud. Which country has launched a large-scale security operation, Operation Devil Hunt? Correct answer is option D, Bangladesh. Which institute has built India's first Hyperloop test track? Correct answer is option C, IIT Madras. In the 2025 Brand Finance Global Insurance 100 report, LIC ranked which position among the world's strongest insurance brands? Correct answer is option C. Third. What is the theme for National Sports Day 2025 observed on 29th August? Correct answer is option B. एक घंटा खेल के मैदान में. Who was sworn in as the president of Uruguay in March 2025? Correct answer is option B. Yamandu Orsi. Who became the youngest Indian and the second youngest person in the world to complete the 7 Summits Challenge? Correct answer is option B. Vishwanath Karthike Padakanti. Who inaugurated the second edition of Vividhata Ka Amrit Mahotsav at the Rashtrapati Bhavan? Correct answer is option C. President Draupadi Murmu. Who has been appointed as the new director of the Prime Minister's Museum and Library? Correct answer is option A. Ashwani Lohani. Which country became the 8th globally and the first in the Caribbean to adopt UPI for Indian travelers in July 2025? Correct answer is option C. Trinidad and Tobago. Where was the World Artificial Intelligence Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option C. Shanghai, China. Where was the Behd-e-Qalam festival celebrated in July 2025? Correct answer is option C. Jowai, Meghalaya. Which city hosted the Asia Rugby Under-20 Championship 2025 in August? Correct answer is option D. Rajgir, Bihar. Who was appointed as the new director of the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center in August 2025? Correct answer is option C. Dr. A. Rajarajan. Which bank has been awarded the title of World's Best Consumer Bank for 2025 by Global Finance magazine? Correct answer is option C. State Bank of India. Which ministry has launched a species-specific campaign, Shatavari for Better Health? Correct answer is option A. Ministry of Ayush. Who has been appointed as the new Vice Chief of Army Staff in August 2025? Correct answer is option C. Lieutenant General Pushpender Singh. Who has been honored with the Pen Translates Award 2025 for her book Once Elephants Lived Here? Correct answer is option C. Gitanjali Shri. Udhwa Lake is located in which state designated as Ramsar Site in February 2025? Correct answer is option D. Jharkhand. Which Indian cities became the first to be recognized as accredited wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands? Correct answer is option B. Udaipur and Indore. Who among the following presented the 8th consecutive Union Budget on 1st February 2025? Correct answer is option D. Nirmala Sitharaman. Which ministry launched the nationwide initiative Apna Ghar to offer hygienic and safe resting spaces for truck drivers? Correct answer is option C. Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. What is the new name of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited's flagship jet training aircraft, Hindustan Jet Trainer HJT-36? Correct answer is option B. Yashash. Which state won the Vijay Hazare Trophy 2024-25 for the 5th time? Correct answer is option A. Karnataka. Which two countries conducted the 14th edition of exercise Indra 2025 in Chennai? Correct answer is option B. India and Russia. Who was recently conferred with the Global Indian of the Year award by the Canada India Foundation? Correct answer is option A. Sadhguru. Which team won the Indian Premier League 2025 title? Correct answer is option C. Royal Challengers Bengaluru. Which organization was honored with the Udyog Vikas Award in April 2025? Correct answer is option A. National Industrial Corridor Development Corporation. Which state topped the medal tally at the Khelo India Youth Games 2025 held in Bihar? Correct answer is option C. Maharashtra. Which authority has recently launched Operation Swarn? Correct answer is option A, Tirupati Urban Development Authority. When was National Space Day 2025 observed? Correct answer is option C, 23rd August. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Union Public Service Commission in May 2025? Correct answer is option C, Dr. Ajay Kumar. Who was appointed as the 47th Vice Chief of the Indian Navy in August 2025? Correct answer is option A, Vice Admiral Sanjay Vatsayan. Where was the second UN Food System Summit Stocktake 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Which film won the Best Film and Best Director at the Indian Film Festival of Melbourne 2025? Correct answer is option B, Homebound. Which city has been declared the leopard capital of India in June 2025, surpassing Mumbai? Correct answer is option B, Bengaluru. Who was appointed as the new CEO of Food Safety and Standards Authority of India in August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Rajit Punhani. When was International Youth Day 2025 celebrated? Correct answer is option B, 12th August. Recently, which city has been declared India's first beggar-free city? Correct answer is option B, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Who was named the leading male cricketer of the year in the Wisden Cricketers Almanac 2025? Correct answer is option D, Jasprit Bumrah. Which two Indian texts were recently added to UNESCO's Memory of the World Register? Correct answer is option B, Bhagavad Gita and Natya Shastra. Which two digital platforms were recently launched by the Department of Post to enhance India's addressing system? Correct answer is option B, Know Your Digipin and Know Your Pin Code. Which aerospace company launched the first all-female crew since 1963 on a suborbital space flight in April 2025? Correct answer is option D, Blue Origin. Which city ranked 4th in the Super Swachh League of Swachh Sarvekshan 2024-25? Correct answer is option C, Vijayawada. What is the new name of Mumbai's Karnak Bridge after its reconstruction in 2025? Correct answer is option D, Sindoor Bridge. Which organization has been chosen for the Subhash Chandra Bose Disaster Management Award 2025 in the institutional category? Correct answer is option B, INCOIS. Who launched the Sanjay Battlefield Surveillance System on 24 January 2025? Correct answer is option B, Rajnath Singh. What is the name of the mission launched by PM Narendra Modi in July 2025 to digitize ancient manuscripts? Correct answer is option C, Gyan Bharatam Mission. Which country launched Operation Rising Lion against Iran's nuclear program? Correct answer is option B, Israel. How many Asiatic lions were recorded in Gujarat's 16th Lion Census in 2025? Correct answer is option C, 891. Where was India's first 3 nanometer chip design centers inaugurated? Correct answer is option B, Noida and Bengaluru. Who was conferred Brazil's highest civilian award, the Grand Collar of the National Order of the Southern Cross, on 8th July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Which Indian state became the first to grant agriculture status to livestock and poultry farming? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Which country became the first to release genome-edited rice varieties? Correct answer is option B, India. As per the Henley Passport Index July 2025 edition, what is India's global passport ranking? Correct answer is option A, 77th. Where was the 9th Global Technology Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, New Delhi. Which site became India's 44th UNESCO World Heritage Site? Correct answer is option D, Maratha Military Landscapes. Who set a new world record in the F-42 Javelin category in May 2025? Correct answer is option A, Mahendra Gurjar. Who won the SAFF Under-19 Championship 2025? Correct answer is option A, India. Who has been selected for the 59th Gyanpith Award? Correct answer is option A, Vinod Kumar Shukla. Which city hosted the 17th BRICS Summit in July 2025? Correct answer is option A, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Who won the men's singles title at Wimbledon 2025 by defeating Carlos Alcaraz? Correct answer is option C, Yannick Sinner. Where was the first edition of the Khelo India Beach Games held in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Gogla Beach, Diu. Who was appointed as the new Deputy National Security Advisor of India in August 2025? Correct answer is option A, Anish Dayal Singh. Who won a historic second term as Prime Minister of Australia in May 2025? Correct answer is option C, Anthony Albanese. Where was the Indian Conservation Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Which region holds the record for the highest snow leopard density in the world with an estimated 477 individuals? Correct answer is option B, Ladakh. What was Gaya city renamed as in Bihar? Correct answer is option B, Gaya Ji. Who authored the book Indira Gandhi and the Years That Transformed India? Correct answer is option B, Srinath Raghavan. Which state became India's first fully digitally literate state? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. Where was the first BIMSTEC Traditional Music Festival held in August 2025? Correct answer is option C, Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. Which bill did the Indian Parliament pass on 21st August 2025 aiming to create a national framework for regulating the gaming sector? Correct answer is option C, Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025. Where was India's first Make in India green hydrogen plant commissioned on 31st July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Deen Dayal Port Authority, Kandla. Who organized the 11th India Mass Summit 2025 held in New Delhi? Correct answer is option A, FICCI and IIMR. How many African sites were removed from the UNESCO World Heritage in Danger List on 9th July 2025? Correct answer is option C, 3. What is India's rank in the World Happiness Report 2025? Correct answer is option A, 118th. Who chaired the committee that drafted the National Cooperative Policy 2025? Correct answer is option C, Suresh Prabhu. What was the theme of International Women's Day 2025 celebrated on 8th March? Correct answer is option B, For all women and girls, rights, equality, empowerment. What is the name of the bilateral maritime exercise between India and Singapore in which the Indian Navy participated in July 2025? Correct answer is option D, Simbex. Who inaugurated the 38th National Games in Dehradun on 28 January 2025? Correct answer is option C, Narendra Modi. Which team won the Santosh Trophy 2024-25 by defeating Kerala? Correct answer is option B, West Bengal. who was sworn in as Belgium's new Prime Minister on 3rd February 2025? Correct answer is option B, Bart de Wever. What is the name of the Indian Navy ship commissioned on 1st July 2025? Yantar Shipyard, Kaliningrad, Russia. Correct answer is option B, INS Tamal. Which state has topped the Panchayat Devolution Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, Karnataka. Who is the author of the book The Rise of the Hitman, The Rohit Sharma Story? Correct answer is option C, R. Kaushik. What was the name of the military operation launched by the United States on Iran in June 2025? Correct answer is option B, Operation Midnight Hammer. Who is the author of Confessions of a Shakespeare Addict, launched in July 2025? Correct answer is option B, V.S. Ravi. How many persons were awarded the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025? Correct answer is option C, 7. Who was honored with the National Maritime Varuna Award in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Captain Rajesh Unni. Which Indian state became the first to implement scheduled caste subcategorization? Correct answer is option A, Telangana. Which state's tableau won the Best Tableau Award at the Republic Day Parade 2025? Correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. What is the theme for World Earth Day 2025 observed on set? What is the theme for World Earth Day 2025 observed on 22nd April? Correct answer is option A, Our Power, Our Planet. What is the new name of Fort William located in Kolkata? Correct answer is option C, Vijay Durg. Where was the 12th edition of India-Sri Lanka Joint Naval Exercise SLINEX 2025 conducted? Correct answer is option C, Colombo, Sri Lanka. Who is the 52nd Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option A, Justice B.R. Gavai. Who has been awarded the Abel Prize 2025? Correct answer is option C, Masaki Kashiwara. Who has become the 15th Vice President of India and the new Chairman of Rajya Sabha in September 2025? Correct answer is option C, C.P. Radhakrishnan. Who became the first Indian to receive the Ramsar Award for wetland wise use? Correct answer is option A, Jai Shri Venkateshan. Where is India's first butterfly sanctuary, Aralam Butterfly Sanctuary, inaugurated in June 2025? Correct answer is option D, Kerala. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Question number 1 is, what is India's rank in the Global Peace Index 2025? Question number 2 is, who won the title of Miss Universe India 2025? Question number 3 is, Gokul Reservoir and Udaipur Lake located in which state? The question number 4 is, which team won the Santosh Trophy 2024-25 by defeating Kerala? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.